Imagine this. The universe is 13 billion years old. That's 13 followed by 9 zeros. That's so old, it's almost impossible to wrap our heads around. Now let's focus on Earth, our home. Earth is just 4.5 billion years old, a tiny, young planet orbiting a young star in one small corner of the Milky Way galaxy. But here's where it gets really cool. Life on Earth started about 3.5 billion years ago. It began with tiny, single-celled organisms, so small they were invisible to the naked eye. Over billions of years, these simple life forms evolved into plants, animals, and eventually, us. Did you know there are millions of species of plants and animals on Earth today? From tiny ants to giant whales, life comes in all shapes and sizes. And among all these incredible creatures, humans, Homo sapiens, are the most intelligent. But here's something that might surprise you. Modern humans have only been around for 300,000 years. That's like the last minute of a 24-hour day when compared to Earth's timeline. For most of human history, we were like other animals, surviving in the wild. Then, something incredible happened. Around 2 million years ago, our ancestors discovered fire, and it changed everything. Fire kept us warm, protected us from predators, and eventually helped us cook food, which gave us the energy to develop bigger brains. But here's another fun fact. Even after discovering fire, our intelligence wasn't much greater than that of chimpanzees today. We lived in small groups, almost invisible on Earth's grand stage. It took over 3 billion years for intelligent life, us, to even begin. And once we started, it still moved slowly. Farming and settlements only began about 12,000 years ago. That's just an incredible 0.0004% of life on Earth. But once we started farming, everything changed. We built cities, developed languages, and began inventing incredible technologies. Today, we can't imagine life without things like computers, which were invented just 80 years ago. In less than a century, we've gone from horse-drawn carriages to sending robots to Mars. If we've come this far in just a few centuries, imagine where humans will be in 1,000 years. Or 10,000 years. What could we achieve in 2 million years? The same amount of time it took us to discover fire. Now, let's zoom out again. Imagine billions of stars with billions of planets orbiting them. If life could start on Earth, why not on another planet somewhere out there? The probability is mind-boggling. Some of these planets might have their own life forms, and maybe even intelligent ones. And if that's true, some of them might have been around for billions of years, way longer than us. Could they already know we exist? Could they be watching us? Or are we the first intelligent life to emerge in the universe? There are so many questions to explore. And this is just the beginning of our journey to find out. Do aliens exist? Stay tuned as we uncover incredible theories and mysteries about life beyond Earth. The universe is full of possibilities.